Lackland the Luigi's Mansion 2001 Master, Presents. Miss R breaks Starbucks coffee espresso machine / grounded. And it was inspired by Craig Fanatic 2022, Aubrey the Colby Kyle and Kane Brown fan, Coolboy the Dundee and Jonas Brothers fan, Kyle the Aubrey Cox and Danny Phantom fan, Walter Lewis the Dundee and Seth Park fan, Sari the Go Animator fan 2K4, Pablo Animation 2004 the Aubrey Cox and Surrey fan, Yanu the Video Maker 2005, Lakota Barrio Beyond Dirk's Nightmare, Tyler Strand the Dora the Explorer fan, Gamer Andrew 17 Productions, and various users.
Hello, I'm Miss R, and today, I'm going to break the Starbucks coffee espresso machine, because I really hate coffee. Yes, I finally broke that stupid espresso machine. No more coffee for everyone. Now to run away before I get.
Stop, right there, Miss R. You're not going anywhere.
Oh no, it's May Cavely. I am so busted.
Oh, you most certainly are. And Miss R, you better explain to me why the Starbucks coffee espresso machine is broken.
Well, you're not going to be happy about this, but I broke the Starbucks coffee espresso machine because I really hate coffee so much.
You did? What? Oh my God, Miss R, how dare you break the espresso machine at Starbucks? You know that machine is very expensive, and now it's going to cost a lot of money to replace it. Thanks to you. That's it. I am calling your parents about this. Go home right now.
No.
When Miss R got home.
Miss R, are you serious right now? We can't believe you broke the coffee espresso machine at Starbucks. You should know that coffee espresso machines are very expensive, and now it will cost a lot of money to replace a new espresso machine.
I'm sorry, Mom and Dad. It's just that I hate coffee so much.
So, that doesn't give you the right to break the espresso coffee machine at Starbucks. That's it. You are grounded for 5 months. Go to your room, right now.
Yes, Mom and Dad. Sorry, Mom and Dad.